The Toyota Prius key fob has a CR1632 coin type battery in it. To remove the battery, first you find this little push on the side where it says push, and you're pushing at the top. At the same time, you want to pull out the manual or emergency door key. Right beside where you pull that key out, there is a slot. Insert the key into that slot and twist. I like to lay the key fob face down before I pull the back off. And voila, there is the coin type battery. The manual or emergency key can be used to get up under the edge, but I find it easier to use an eyeglasses screwdriver or pocket screwdriver. I like to make sure this flat part of the coin battery is facing up towards me when I install it, and always have ShopCat inspect it before reassembly to make sure everything is correct. Luckily, he works for food. There is a CR, BR, and LI version of this 1632 battery available. I use the CR because it's the highest capacity. The BR is about half the capacity. I'll put a link to a couple that I've had good luck with in the past in the description below. Now I'm going to change this battery and that annoying thing.